Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to install Raspbian OS with the help of latest Raspberry Pi Imager on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so for that we need here of course Raspberry Pi 4 SD card. As you can see, I have here a SanDisk SD card 16 GB. Also we need here a card reader. Okay, so we are going to use here our latest Raspberry Pi Imager. The latest Raspberry Pi Imager has a new feature, so you can configure the Wi-Fi. Also you can set the SSH password. Also you can set the host name at the flashing process. Okay, and basically we can say the first boot. Okay, so that's why we don't need here our Ethernet cable, because we can enable our Wi-Fi configuration on first boot using Raspberry Pi latest imagers. Okay friends, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. Now we are move on our Windows 10 desktop. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends, now we are on our desktop, okay, Windows 10 machine, and first we need to download the latest Raspberry Pi Imager software. Okay, for that visit their website. I will mention the link. You have to just click on the link and visit the website and just scroll down, and here as you can see, install Raspberry Pi OS using Raspberry Pi Imager. So we need to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. Okay, so simply click on download for Windows and it will download imager setup.exe file. As you can see, I have already downloaded. Okay, so simply click on download for Windows. If you are on the Mac OS, of course you need to download for Mac OS, or if you are on Ubuntu machine, so you need to download for Ubuntu. Okay, so we have right now on our Windows 10 machine, so we want to download for the Windows. So I have already downloaded, as you can see, imager file setup.exe, and then after you need to install the Raspberry Pi Imager inside your Windows 10, and it is really easy, as we always do. Simply click on next button and it will install Raspberry Pi Imager software inside your Windows 10 machine. Okay, now I have already installed it, so I'm going to search for Raspberry Pi Imager. As you can see, Raspberry Pi Imager, click on open. So friends, now we are going to choose the OS, so simply click on choose OS, and here we are going to go inside the Raspberry Pi OS other, click on it, and as you can see, here we have our OS Lite version and OS full version. Simply we are going to flash the image of full version, so select the Raspberry Pi OS full 32-bit, click on it and then choose storage, and as you can see, I have here a 15.9 GB SD card. Simply select it. Then we need to this is the basically latest version 1.6 version, so we are basically able to set the host name, set the Wi-Fi password in a startup. Okay, so for that we need to simply click the key sequence, our keyboard sequence, like this way. We need to press Control Shift and X. Okay, then it will open the advanced option. I will again explain you need to press here Control plus Shift plus X. Okay, and the advanced option window will be appear in front of us now. Okay, you can select with for these sessions only, or you can go with to always use. Okay, so here what we want to do, if you want to set the host name, the by default host name is Raspberry Pi, as you can see. If you want to set the host name, you can set it. So I am going to set my own host name, so Freedom Tech is the host name, and also I want to enable the SSH, so set the password for Pi user. So I am going to set the password for Pi user. Okay, then scroll down, and here it is. As you can see, the main option, the configure Wi-Fi. So now, as I told you, in latest Raspberry Pi Imager version, we can able to set up the Wi-Fi. Okay, as for a startup. Okay, so simply click on configure Wi-Fi, and here we need to mention our router SSID and router password. So router SSID is Raspberry, and I have mentioned my router password. Okay friends, then simply scroll down, and here we need to select the Wi-Fi country. So select it, Wi-Fi country, So I am from India, so I am going to select IN. Okay friends, then here set local setting Asia Kolkata and keyboard layout is US. Okay, then we don't want to change anything. Now we want to save our settings, so simply click on save, and we are now ready. So I am going to click on right button, click on yes, and now our image is flashing inside our SD card. Okay, so it takes some time. Meanwhile I will pause the video. Okay friends, so friends, as you can see, we have successfully flashed our image inside our card. Now I am going to remove the card from the laptop, and we are going to insert our card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay friends, so let's move on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so friends, this is what our card. Okay friends, as you can see, and I am going to now insert this card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so like this way, as you can see. So I have inserted the card and I have connect our HDMI cable. Okay friends, so I have connect the HDMI cable. As you can see, this is what my HDMI cable, this is what our power cable, also the mouse and the keyboard. Okay, and we have already configured our Wi-Fi, so we don't need here Ethernet cable. Okay, we can directly connect our Raspberry Pi 4 to our router because we have already set up our Wi-Fi configuration. Okay, now I am going to power on our Raspberry Pi 4. So friends, as you can see, I have power on our Raspberry Pi 4, and this is what our Raspbian OS desktop, the first screen. Okay, and as you can see, we have our Wi-Fi here and it's enabled. Because of we have enabled our Wi-Fi or with the help of Imager on first boot. Okay, so we don't need to configure the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is the way you can install the Raspberry Pi 4 using latest version of Raspberry Pi Imager. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.